Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 1 of chapter number 4, practical geometry. Starting with the sum number 1, and the statement is: construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 4.5, BC 4 cm, CD 6.5 cm, DA 3 cm and BD is 6.5. Here all the measures of sides are given here, out of which one is a diagonal. So first of all, we'll make a rough figure of ABCD. Make a rough figure. So it's your A, B, C, D. Now just label it. AB 4.5 centimeters, BC 4 centimeters, CD 6.5, DA 3 centimeters, and this diagonal BD is 6.5. So we had already discussed these type of sums in exercise 4.1, where one diagonal is given here. So in the quadrilateral, where only one diagonal is given, so we took that diagonal as a base. So here BD is 6.5. So first of all, we'll make a line segment BD of measurement 6.5 and just make it B or D. It's your wish. You can also write it like DB or BD. 6.5. Now just take this diagonal is BD, this point C and this point A. We have to plot these 2 points. So first of all, we'll plot this point C. Now just see, this point is 4 centimeters away from B and 6.5 centimeters away from D. So C is 4 centimeters away from B. Just open it, 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters away from B. Just mark it. Next, this point is 6.5 centimeters away from D. 6.5. Just open it, keep it here and mark it like this. Next, we have to plot this point A. This point A is 3 centimeters away from D and 4.5 centimeters away from B. So 4.5 away from B. Keep it here. Mark it like this. And from D, this is 3 centimeters away. 3 centimeters, keep it here. Now we'll join all these points. Join this one. After that, we'll just name these points. This point is C and this point is A. Now just label it. BC is 4 centimeters. CD is 6.5 centimeters. Next is our BA. This is 4.5 centimeters and AD is 3 centimeters. This is a required quadrilateral ABCD. Now the construction is, first of all, make a line segment BD 6.5 centimeters. From B, draw an arc of 4 centimeters. Now from D, draw an arc of 6.5 centimeters which meets the previous arc. See, the previous arc is this one of 4 centimeters. So these both arcs will meet at a point C. Next, again from B, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters and from D, draw an arc of 3 centimeters which meets the previous arc. The previous arc means this one, 4.5 centimeters, and the both arcs will meet at the point A. After that, label all these points: BC 4, CD 6.5, BA 4.5, AD 3, and just join them. BC, CD, BA, and this is our AD. And this is a required quadrilateral ABCD. Here, only one diagonal was given here. So whenever we have only one diagonal in a quadrilateral, so we have to take that diagonal as a base of that figure. So BD was the diagonal, so we took this diagonal as a base and after that first of all we had plot these two opposite points, this C and this point A.